Hey there, welcome to the Rainbow Pinwheels. In this video, you will see my attempt to make underwater Rangoli. This was my first try at underwater Rangoli and I have already uploaded a video of my second trial. Don't forget to check it out later, I'll leave a link in the description. Now let's continue this one. For this, I took a shallow plate, then I added oil to the plate and spreaded it evenly. Then starts the main job. I already had a design in my head, so I picked up the colors and just started with it. What I wanted to make was a really simple and colorful mandala. Well, let me tell you, making Rangoli on the floor directly is far more easier than this. I thought making a simple mandala would be easy, and yes, it started well. After some time, I regretted my decision of making a mandala on my first try. But again, I decided to complete it as properly as I can. Please keep watching till the end to see the end result. After a lot of patience and cramps in my hand, I finally completed the Rangoli. So now it was the moment of truth. I started pouring water slowly from one side, and the rest you can see. Though I enjoyed making Rangoli, it surely was a failed attempt. But it taught me that never ever use even a slight thick layer of Rangoli in this technique and always start with a very simple design. As it is said, sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. I surely learned from this and I hope you did too. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.